Hi, my name's Bob Lindy. I'm an herbalist and an herb grower. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to transplant parsley. So whether you've gone ahead and gotten a small pot of parsley at your local garden supply store, or you went ahead and started some of your own seedlings from seed of your parsley, at some point they're going to outgrow the pot that they're in, and you want to go ahead and either transplant it into the ground after the risk of frost is gone, or you can go ahead and put it into a larger pot so that you can enjoy it in your kitchen window garden and a southern exposure. So of course we want to get a good potting mix, or go ahead and prepare our garden soil outside. And what I like to do is oftentimes add some good compost either to our pot or go ahead and put it into your garden so you can have some really rich soil for those roots to grow into. I like to actually dig the hole first so that the pot will actually end up at the same level as it is inside the pot. And then go ahead and fill the hole with water so that we make sure that it's good and soaked in. So once we've gone ahead and prepared either our pot or our garden soil, we can go ahead and take the parsley out of the pot and go ahead and place it in there, backfill it with dirt, and make sure that we water it in good. If any kind of soil goes ahead and erodes around it, make sure that we firmly tamp it down, add some additional compost and soil to it, and I would go ahead and water it every day until those roots start to get established. It's important that we make sure that it's well taken care of and we protect it from frost. We don't want it to get into a boggy situation. Parsley likes a little bit of sun, so we can go with part sun to even full sun under the right conditions, and make sure that it has well-drained soil, either in your garden or inside your pot. If it starts to wilt, we can go ahead and make sure that we add some water to it, and don't over-fertilize. We don't want to overstimulate the growth. If you start to get some legginess to it, where the wonderful edible part, the curly ends, or even if you use flat leaf parsley, it shouldn't get too leggy. If it is, we've probably over-fertilized it. So go ahead and transplant your parsley, prepare your soil or your pot, pop it in there with some good compost, water it in well, and you'll have a success in transplanting your parsley. This is Bob Lindy talking to you about how to transplant your parsley. Please enjoy your herbs.